Alright, so for today we'll be having an unboxing. I bought this model from 3000 Toys. Well, it's not really a model, it's kind of just an attachment. Had some reward points that I figured I'd use. So I just went ahead and used them on this. Picked it up for a model that I have coming. I bought off eBay, so it should be here sometime, I'm thinking in November. It's slow boat shipping from China, so I have to wait and see when it comes, but I figured I might as well pick up the attachment, because one, it was on sale, and two, pick it up before it's gone, sold out, since it is kind of a discontinued attachment. Box open here, some paperwork out of here, and the packing peanuts. Dump out the contents here. So there's the attachment right there. Box out of here. I'll clear these packing peanuts out of here. Here it is. It's a YCC. It's a YCC attachment. As you can see, YCC 401-1B. For those of you that aren't familiar with these attachments, this is a hammer. Came out a little while ago. Came out for several different models. I believe they have one that was in 1/32 scale, and they had a bunch of different ones in the 1/50 scale lineup. So here's the attachment itself. Let's get that out of the bag here. And I thought it came with decals to put on the model, to put on the hammer. I guess mine just didn't come with them, which I don't really care, because I'm probably not going to put it on the model that it was intended to be put on. So let's get this bad boy out of the box here. And there it is. So there's the YCC, little YCC hammer. It fits the Komatsu PC 200 or something like that. So that should kind of give you an idea of what I have coming. It kind of looks like it's a little crooked here. The hole's a little crooked, or the pin's crooked, one of the two. But there it is. That's the nice little attachment I got. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. That's just going to do it for this unboxing. So thank you for watching. If you'd like to follow my social media, both links are in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And stay tuned for the next video to be uploaded.